Hi students, whether you're an Austin or a Packer student this week, I made the same video for both of you. This is our last week together, and so I wanted to give you all of the work right up front with week 8, right on Monday. There isn't very much in there that's new. Most of the time this week will be either spent in the lab or catching up on missing work. There is a little bit of homework that I expect you to do, and that's what I'm going to show you right here. But before I go there, Folder 8 only has this video in it. I'm not going to do a new podcast for week 8, and there's no Nearpod or anything like that. So the only thing you're doing in Schoology is watching this video, so good job, you're already doing that. And then on Tuesday, if you're an Austin student, or Friday, if you're a Packer student, you have the opportunity to make up missing tests. And if you speak with me about it, I will give you an opportunity to take a retake if you desire to do that. Okay, so Schoology, the only thing you have to think about in Schoology is if you're completing missing work, make sure you're filling out this form at the top of the page. That's what tells me to go back and look at something that's missing. Okay, I'm going to head over to OneNote and show you what I've got for you there. You may remember, I'm going to bounce back to week 7 for a second to processing activity 2. This is where we had the egg experiment, and you guys were supposed to look through the videos and fill out the experiment data sheet, the data log that's right here on the page, right here. So in the videos, I told you about the eggs. I showed you stuff so that you can fill out this table, but I said that I would explain the process of what's going on with those eggs in week 8. So I'm going to click on week 8 now, and that's what you see right here. There's one video that has a demonstration for a process called diffusion, which is important in the health and job of cells. And then there's a second video that talks about osmosis, and that focuses on the eggs because that's what was happening in the eggs, the process called osmosis. So watch these 2 videos, then answer the questions, and then there's a diagram at the bottom, or there should be. Dang. I'll get it to you if there's not. There's should be a diagram at the bottom that you have to draw a picture in, but I'll get that to you. All right, processing activity 1. Oh, that's where the diagrams are. So this is just questions about the experiment and what you learned. And it asks you to use some evidence for each of these answers for 2 and 3. So actually 1, 2, and 3. So when I'm asking for evidence, I'm looking for something that you learned in the video, something that you probably wrote down in your data sheet, or at least I told you to do it. All right, and that's it for week 8 for new work. And again, the rest of the time is just completing missing assessments and missing assignments and making sure that I know about them. All right, last week together. Yee! I've been having a good time, and I hope you have too. And I hope this week is great for us too. Labs, we're doing microscopes this week. It'll be fun. All right, see you in class.